It was an inauguration ceremony marked by pomp and color. Thousands of Busia residents braved a scorching sun to witness Governor Ojaamong take the oath of office here at Busia County Stadium.
I, Honorable Sospeter Ojaamong, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Governor of Busia County.
Ojaamong's deputy Moses Mulamu was also sworn in during the event, attended by the newly elected 7 members of parliament from Busia County, alongside Florence Mutua, who is the county's women representative. In his acceptance speech, Governor Ojaamong declared zero tolerance on corruption, vowing to clean up his cabinet as he settles down for a second and final term in office.
Kwa hivyo kwa njia ya uwazi tutatangaza hizi kazi. Everybody will be scrutinized the way wananchi have scrutinized sisi pia. Kwa hivyo kama ulikuwa umetendea wananchi mabaya ukiwachwa nje usilalamike kabisa, sivyo?
Ojaamong used the ceremony to extend an olive branch to his political opponents in the just concluded general elections and called for unity in Busia.
Tunataka kuendelea mbele kama timu moja. Wakati huu nimepata nafikiri wajumbe wa bunge, wa MCAs na wale kwenda Nairobi ambao tunaweza shirikiana nao pamoja. Ile imebaki sasa ni kuendelesha agenda yetu ya maendeleo.
Governor Ojaamong said his government had set aside 73 million shillings as bursary for university students and will make primary health care his first priority. Ouko Okusah, NTV.